Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I'm so excited for you to be here to do my paper pumpkin unboxing for March 2018. And sorry about my dog. Probably somebody is like, a mile away crossing the street. But this is a 5-year anniversary paper pumpkin. A paper pumpkin was established back in 2013, and this kit was so hugely popular because it is a special kit. It's May Good Things Grow, March 2018. They actually sold out of it before the month time period came in order to order it. That's how popular Paper Pumpkin excuse me, is becoming. But if you missed out on the March one, right now you have two options with Paper Pumpkin. If you're a brand new subscriber, you can go ahead on over to my online store at stampandsuecreates.stampinup.net. There's information on there about purchasing a 2-month subscription at 50% off. So instead of $20, it only costs you $10. And I also have it posted on my blog. Actually, today's post. Today is March 19th. I have on my blog at stampandsuecreates.blogspot.com all the information on the two promotions, including the code that you need to use in order to get 2 months free subscription. And if you've been a subscriber before and you want to go ahead and take advantage of coming back to Paper Pumpkin, and I'd love to have you back as a customer, you just go ahead and use a different email address, and that will get you a new subscription, because that's how Paper Pumpkin knows that if you've been a subscriber before. So, if you use another email address, you can go ahead, take advantage of the special. But if you want to save even more money and get free celebration items up through the end of March, you can purchase a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription, and then go ahead and get celebration items with each $50 purchase, and save even more that way. So it's up to you. If you've been a subscriber before, go ahead and throw in the 3-month or 6, or 12-month subscription and get, even the host benefits you can get if it's $150 or more. So there's many ways to give it a try. If you were a subscriber back 5 years ago, you are going to be blown away how Stampin' Up! Has improved these kits. I know I am each and every month, and this month is a special month. And let's go ahead and take a peek inside. With this, we are getting a free gift. So here is the inside of the lid. Paper Pumpkin, established 2013, 5-year anniversary. 5 years of meeting you at your mailbox. It comes right to your door each and every month. Creating and sharing millions of projects together, inspiring countless smiles and glad hearts. What will we do together during the next 5 years? Hashtag Paper Pumpkin 5. So there's also a Facebook group, Paper Pumpkin, where tons of people are subscribed. Demonstrators, customers, everybody. And they post all kind of alternative samples. You can go on Pinterest and find us on there. So, I mean, if you don't like the projects that Stampin' Up, prepares for us, go think outside your box and go ahead and make things that you would be excited and you would like to do. I mean, I also post things on my Stampin' Sue Creates Facebook page with other ideas too. So let me show you the stamp set. So each month you get an exclusive stamp set that you can get nowhere else but Paper Pumpkin. And this is this year's. It has Happy Birthday, Happy Mother's Day, May Good Things Grow All Year Long. There's a little hello. And this says, what a beautiful friendship we've grown. There's a flower and some leaves. And then a little swirly kind of thing for a corner stamp. So that's great. You get that. I'm going to go back to the gift after we take a look at what's here. So every month you get 1, sometimes 2 little Stampin' Spots. And these are great to take on the go. This whole kit, you can just, go ahead, get yourself a pair of scissors, a pair of paper snips, maybe a tape runner, and take it with you on the go. Vacation time's coming up, and we know how we don't want to be without our stamp supplies on vacation. So you can gather up these Stampin' Spots and save them, use the re-inkers on them, and keep them forever and ever. And these are great to use with our new stamp positioning tool, the Stamparatus, because it makes it real easy to ink up your stamp with those. So being that this is our 5-year anniversary, the Stampin' Up's included a gift to say thank you. It's Paper Pumpkin's 5th anniversary, and we're celebrating. Please enjoy these wood embellishments as our way of saying thank you for 5 wonderful years of creativity and sharing. Be sure to check out our social media pages for ideas on how to use this fun gift in your crafting projects. Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube. And every month they do provide a YouTube video that kind of goes through to show you how to put it together, and that's my best bet. I like to watch the videos. The instructions are really simple, but I'm a visual learner and a visual doer. Oop, a little one fell out. Oh, save me. And I like to watch YouTube videos. So. And I like to do YouTube videos, as you can tell. Ooh, look how pretty these are. And oh my goodness, look how many sheets. 2 sheets. And, well, there's that little flower that came out. And one side is white, and one side is wood. I'm already seeing that you can color these with the markers, the ink pads. And look at these intricate designs. You just push them right out of this wood, just like that. Ooh, and they smell good too. So that's really fun. Thank you, Stampin' Up, for that. So let's see what we have. And I love when they make this tissue paper. And here's the inside of the box, which is normally the color of the box is this orange color. But I love saving these boxes. Let me show you what I do. This was a Paper Pumpkin one from Christmas time. And I like to use it to keep all my little die cut things out, my projects I'm working on. It's really great to keep those in. And I keep one with all of my little Stampin' Spots in it. And they also, you can fold them inside out and reuse them and use them for mailing. So, yeah. And then when if you accumulate 10 ton of them, you can go ahead and unfold them and put them out for the recycle bin. And, this way you're not throwing them in the trash. So, okay, so Make Good Things Grow, March 2018, contains supplies for 8 cards and 8 envelopes. And look how stunning they are. I mean, look at the stuff you get. Well, let's just look at the stuff you get. Why would we look through the plastic? See if we can open it up. Don't make us look through plastic. I mean, for 20 bucks, look at all this stuff you got. All right, let me get rid of that. In there. Okay, so first off, here is your instruction sheet. And here's pumpkinhowto.com for the video to show you. And once you're a member, you can go back in and purchase previous kits that are available, refill kits as well as full kits that are available that you might have missed out on. So here are the step-by-step instructions. Pretty simple. They also include a little ruler down here, so when you have to measure your ribbon or twine or whatever that may be. When you're a brand new subscriber, your first kit will come with an acrylic block. So you will have that, and you will keep that to use for all future kits. So you won't even have to worry about an acrylic block because the stamps come in photopolymer. So the block, you could see right through them, makes stamping a breeze. So here it tells you all the things in your kit. It tells you how to stamp, how to clean and store, and then the different areas that you can go to find out about Paper Pumpkin. And the Facebook page is facebook.com/paperpumpkin by Stampin' Up. So that is that. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Ooh, here's some little pearls. How pretty are they? Ooh, love them. And looks like we have some antique brads. Fun. This looks like the fig ribbon. And look how much ribbon they give you. Now, if you don't like it wrinkled, which, yeah, I don't, you can take a flat iron on this, or you can just take your iron and, you know, use that to kind of flatten it out a little bit, because it unfortunately is all crinkly wrinkly. But if you like the wrinkled look, that's fine. Here's some twine. And look at all these pieces. Look at these. Aren't these stunning? The back is white. And look how pretty they are. I mean, these are going to make beautiful Mother's Day cards. And look at these envelopes. Like the day, seeds to make you a bit happier, garden, make your day a bit, okay. Garden seeds to make you, something a bit happier. So here are the beautiful envelopes. And they're very thick, very nice. And the whole entire envelope is lined, so that's pretty. So, I mean, I'm already thinking alternative ideas, and I didn't even see what the projects are. Oh, look at this. Oh, I would love to just embellish this a little bit and frame it. Don't you think? And here's the inside with the fig. And this is heavyweight envelopes. How pretty are they? And then here we are with some little note cards. Oh, and there's the fig note cards too. Woohoo! I'm so excited. I can't wait to start creating. And I would think that's crumb cake. Look at how pretty. Look at how everything goes together so well. Oh, and look at these die cuts. Oh my goodness, and look at what they did this time. They have them labeled. Card 1, the leaves, with, you know, card 2, label B. Oh, to make it so simple and easy. And look at this beautiful die cut. They come out so easily. I love that. So we get 2, 3, 4 sheets of those. And are these self-adhesive? Yep, these are self-adhesive little strips. Love them. Look at these labels. And look, one side is white and the other is the ivory. Look at how delicate they are. Aren't they stunning? Oh my goodness. Can you say Stampin' Dimensionals wahoo? Oh, look at all the Stampin' Dimensionals. And they even give you glue dots for assembling. So I think this is going to be a great kit. I can't wait to start creating with it. So be sure to subscribe, hit that little bell. You'll receive notifications when I upload new videos, because you'll definitely not want to miss what I end up coming up with all of these fun goodies. So thanks so much for joining me. Again, be sure to head on over to stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net to subscribe, and my blog is stampinsuecreates.blogspot.com for more information on the ways you can save with Paper Pumpkin, whether you be a new subscriber or add on to your current subscription, or just go ahead and pick it back up again and give it a try. You're under no obligation to continue. You can put your subscription on hold if you ever wanted to. You'll be sorry you did, because you're going to miss out. And by being a subscriber, you'll be sure to get the next month's kit if you sign up by the 10th of the month. So thanks so much for joining me. Have a super Stampin' night, and I'll see you all back here again real soon. Bye for now.